Welcome to Tweeted's Productions of changing the brake pads on the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 or any similar bike. First thing we're going to need is a 12mm socket wrench to loosen the two bolts attaching the brake caliper to the strut, shocks, whatever you want to call those things. What do you call those? What do you call those things?
What?
These things.
Shocks?
Is that okay? That's what I said. So you can see the two bolts down there that you need to take out. And that will dislodge the caliper, as you just saw. Now there's a little hose clampy thing that you just need to slide the hose forward, I think. We've never actually changed brakes on this particular bike, so you can learn with us.
Yeah. Look like it's gonna come out.
What do you mean? Because of the fender, or?
Yeah. No, because of the rim.
Oh, really? Well, that would be unfortunate. Ah, there we go. The old pads
Are not even
Jeez.
barely worn.
Yeah. I don't really need to replace these pads, but I don't like the front brakes on this bike. The rear brakes are great. Why do they all crack like that? Is that the way those pads come?
Yeah. The other ones are like that.
No.
There's no splits in them?
Not that I saw. What he's doing is taking a screwdriver to spread the calipers apart, so when you put the new pads in, which normally would be a lot thicker than the pads you're replacing, they will fit over the rotor. It looks like it looks plenty. And then the pads, you just need to remove that post, yeah.
There's that little, I need some needle noses or something.
Okay. There's a little cotter pin.
On this bike.
Oops. There's a little cotter pin right there that we had to remove. And, which is now over on the floor. And that will allow the post to slide out and the pads to drop out. Oh.
Let's not get carried away.
Yeah, I think that one drops out because the other one doesn't have, it only has one hole in it. And then that one you just flip it around and then slide it off the post. There you go. See how easy this is? We're going to be done in 5 minutes. Now, here are our new pads. I went with the EBH double center double H. They're, supposed to be maximum stopping power, maximum longevity. They do tend, they said, to chew rotors a little bit more than the organic pads. So it's totally up to you to what you want to get. I mean, as long as they make a pad that fits your bike, assume it goes on it. That's what I do. For this bike, the FA229HH is the front brakes. And we'll pop these open. Yeah, but this one's on the inside. Oh, it wasn't? Oh, okay.
Get out of here. You just record.
All right, sorry. So the one without the hole goes on first. That one's on the inside. My mistake. And the one with two holes goes on the outside. Both slide over that little thing. And again, the pin goes back in. Along with the cotter pin. Over here.
This should be fun. Oh, it's not going to be that bad.
Now, how about setting those pads? I mean, they don't really lock in place or nothing, huh?
Doesn't seem that way.
Slide it over the rotor. Hose back in. Put slide caliper on. Reload the bolts. And that is a 10-minute brake pad change. Now someone told me you gotta, you're supposed to crank them down really good to kind of set them. Probably the toughest part of the whole deal right there.
Yeah, it is. It's freaking stupid.
Alright, we're going to fire her up and give her a test. That's how death-defying we are.
Got yourself some new neighbors, huh?
Seems to be gripping good so far.
The skills there.
This thing should probably be done with the helmet. But it's not great. No squeaks. Like I said, just when you take it out, kind of hammer on it good. First time you take it out. Give me a dramatic stop. I didn't mean pointed at me.
Dude,
What's up?
I could pass a driver's test.
You think so?
The fucking corner's pretty good.
So, test complete, and it brakes awesome. Much better than the stock pads that I had in it. Of course, those pads didn't have much miles, but they do have, what?
Years?
10 years. Yeah, 10 years on them. So, again, the pads were $37, I think. I got them on Amazon. So I figured it was worth a try since, like I said, I didn't like the way the front brakes were handling. Now it definitely feels much better, smoother grip. And again, that was about a 10-minute change had we not been filming. Thanks to our master mechanic. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next vid.